Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have an unboxing to share with you. This is coming from Luisa. And this is our friendship tassel swap. If I can get this to open. Oh, it worked for the first time. Never usually works for me. I usually have to tear it open with scissors. So here it is. This is from Luisa, guys. Oh my gosh, girl. This is way more than just a tassel. Woman. Oh, almost didn't see this. Ooh. Look at this glitter. Glitter. All that glitters is gold. It's a goldish coppery color. So pretty, Luisa. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Let me flip it over. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, look at this goodies. What? Oh my gosh. Little bunny, you are too cute. Let's get into this. Oh, I see my name. This is her card. This is so cute. Thanks for the swap. Enjoy, Luisa. Thank you, girlfriend. Look at all these goodies. Thank you for sharing it with me. Love it. Look at the bunny. She is so cute. Wow. Chris, it has your name on it. My daughter's in the background. Her name is on here, Noelle. That is adorable. Sleeping bunny. How cute. Love it. And what is this, girlfriend? Ooh, I like this. Use on your projects. Yes. Okay. Well, my hands are my projects, so can I use it on my projects? On my fingers? That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I saw this on her haul. This is a nail file. How cute. I would just use that as an embellishment. And then she's got some LA colors, color craze. Oh, I like the glitter speckles in there. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, let's do this. Oh, there's my tassel. Look at my name is on it. Ooh, cutie. Come to mama. Come to mama. See how she packages this thing? This is what I was talking about. How does she get it so pretty like this? Like mine would look like a hot mess. Like let alone the tassel. I'm going to do this last. I want to do that last. After I dig into this gorgeousness. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. That's so fancy. So fancy. Man, that's a thick trim. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Uh-oh. I see the bejewels here. Look. Oh, she shared. This is from one of her trims that she had. Thank you. That's so pretty. Girl, I could just wear this, add a clasp. I'm done. Thank you. And then this is some of that chunky tassel trim. You pull this bottom thread here to fluff it up. Wow. All this texture. So cool. So cool. My trims are amazing. My trim stash. Look at this. What? Wow. Ooh, it's stretchy. It stretches a little bit. That's cute. Ooh, nice. Can make some appliques with this. Thank you, Luisa. Wow, that's a lot, girl. The hell? I'll make a skirt. Can I make a skirt with it? Thank you. Wow, look at all these goodies. Ooh, she gave me a mat. Thank you. I'm tearing it out. It's coming out now. She gave me pink. Pinky, pinky, pinky. This is definitely going on my table now. Why wait? Use it. Use it, use it, use it. Look at that's a great size. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Girlfriend. That is so cool. Look how bright that is. Nice. And it's from Dollar Tree, guys. And what is all these goodies? Ooh, ooh la la. Stickers. Ooh, I like these. Got the rainbow, the cupcakes, sweet treats. Laugh and live. Nice. Laugh and live. Yep. I got the keys, the keys, the keys. Oh, I love this. So each page is a different highlight of a big sticker. And then all of the stickers here are the same as the previous. They're just different sizes. Very cool. Very cool. All right, Dollar Tree, I see you. Ooh, this is their version of a thicker for Dollar Tree. Man, they got fancy. Or chipboard style, but it's a very thin, but it's there. It's got some dimension. Look at that. Thank you, Luisa. Wow. Spoilt again. Ah! She got me the chocolate Santas. Mrs. Claus, I'm showing my daughter. Mrs. Claus and Santa. Oh, thank you. Yes. You guys, you don't understand. They're hard to find. These colored gnomies. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely going to use these. Oh my gosh. Look at these guys. He says Noel. This one says Merry Christmas. How cute. Oh my gosh, Luisa, thank you. What? Oh my gosh. I think these guys are my favorite from the stickers. Now for my tassel. What we're all here for. Yes, girl. Thank you. Ooh. See how she did that? She's just smart. Okay, she just punched a hole. Look at that. Her little label has her little kitty on there. Luisa M, My Crafty Boutique. And look at this. Look at this charm. And got the little heart. She's got chain. She got bling. Wow. Oh, I love that. Oh, this is from her kit. Oh, I love that too. Oh, I can't wait. I'm going to put these up all in front of my craft table right here. I got Eve, Chiquita, Luisa. Perfect. And mine. I made one for myself. I love this. This is like my favorite. Very cool. Look at the sparklies. And she's got some Christmas color here. How cute. Snowflakes. That blue eyelash trim. Very pretty. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Some gold chain. Because we sparkling. And there's that dangle. That's it right there. So cute. And she just attached it right to the lace. Very cute. Wow, Luisa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And there's my name. I was like, I swear I saw my name on here. There it is. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Girl, spoiled us again. I really appreciate all of these goodies. Thank you so much for sharing with us your time, your channel, your squirrels. We love it. I love it. And I hope you guys go check out Luisa and Chiquita and Eve. They all got their tassels now. We're complete. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.